Welcome to the new Visual Crossing add-in from Microsoft Excel. Today we will be walking through the introductory tutorial. First we will start with the tutorial spreadsheet and add the Visual Crossing map visualization into it. Next we will select the headers on that sheet that match the data we wish to map. We will now drag in the appropriate header elements to create the layers for our map. This first layer will be store points and it will be visualized using latitude and longitude. For the key column, we will set the store name. We want to theme the map on profit and sales, so we will drag those metrics into the color by area. For the label by area, we want it to contain store name as well as sales and profit. We will add another layer. This layer will be for our zip code data. We'll place zip code into the geometry. Then we will color by sales and profit again and set the label to be the zip code as well as the sales and profit information. We are now ready to ask Visual Crossing to create our map. It will automatically generate a map with zip codes and store points just like we defined. And you can see from the legend that we can go ahead and we can change the theming of the map between sales and profit. We will now demonstrate how to change the formatting for our store points. First we will change them from teardrops to push pins. And then we will change their size to be graduated based on their metric values. You can see that the map is automatically updated to reflect our change. For the sake of clarity, we will now remove zips to declutter the map, and then we will search for a particular store in our dataset. In this case, the Dayton Mall. Visual Crossing will instantly find the Dayton Mall in our dataset, and we can zoom into it simply by clicking on it. We can now examine the details for that specific store. Finally, we would like to look at the makeup of the area around our Dayton store. To do that, we will first enable our zip code layer. Then we will zoom out so we can see more of the map. Next, we will use the Visual Crossing selection tool to capture all of the zip codes within a specific radius of the Dayton store. Finally, the Selection Detail tool will give us the aggregated metrics for those selected zip codes. We hope that you have enjoyed our introductory tutorial. Please download Maps by Visual Crossing from the Microsoft Office App Store.